Hi everybody. As per Charles Darwin, human body is evolved from an animal body. And if you closely watch the evolution of humans to Homo consumericus, we have evolved from animal body to primitive man, which were primarily hunters, to a modern high-tech man. And in this journey of evolution from animal to modern high-tech man, there has been a significant increase in human consumption. Today, most of the consumption is happening through software products. Hence, let us understand what is software product management. Software product management has got three fundamental pillars. The first pillar is business strategy, then product design, and then technology. Business strategy is about understanding the market, understanding the customer problems, and analyzing the competitors. Product design is about the usability, how customers will feel when they use your products. And technology is about production, making, and building the software products. With that in mind, let us begin with understanding how much technical should a product manager be. See, product manager's job is to understand the customer problems and define those customer problems. Product manager is not responsible for building or coding the software. Hence, the product managers should be having enough technical knowledge to be able to communicate with the engineering team. They should understand how engineers develop the products. What is the thinking behind the programming? What is the thinking behind the coding aspects of engineering team? They should be able to understand what are different front-end technologies and what are different back-end technologies. They should also have an understanding of different database management systems. Now, let us come to the second point is how much business-centric should product managers be? When it comes to business, a product manager should have a very clear understanding about who is the targeted customer segment, what are the problems that you're going to solve for your customers, and what is the benefit or the customer value that you're going to deliver by solving those problems. Product managers must understand who are the other players in the market that are trying to address the same problem that you are trying to solve through your software products. And then they should create a differentiator feature or a unique value proposition which can help you beat your competitors. So they should be responsible for creating the rivalry proposition as well. Third, product managers should be able to position their products and they should be able to work on the go-to-market strategies. So these are the important aspects of business perspective that a product manager should understand. And we always believe in one fundamental that a successful product manager is a business strategist first and then a technologist next. On top of that, it is recommended that a product manager should have a strong domain expertise. For example, you can be a product manager for online travel application, and in that sense, you will have travel domain as your strong expertise, or you can be a product manager in fintech domain, or you can be a product manager in a telecom domain, right? Now, second aspect of product management is design. How much design centric should a product manager be? Product managers should have a clear understanding of the concepts of design thinking. They should have a very clear information about what is behavior driven design. They should be able to understand the consumer behavior and then align it to the user experience of the product. They should have a very strong visual aesthetic understanding of building software products. A product manager should also have an understanding of what is information architecture. How will you place different information on your web app or on your mobile application? They should understand what is the site map. The third point is to be very clear about the differences between the mobile application design and a web application design. And finally, the product managers should be able to review the work of the UX designers, review the prototypes, and they should be convergent with the UX designers while designing the software products. Now, with that in mind, let us understand how much time do product managers spend on the technical aspects. So, for example, how much time do they spend on product backlog refinement and product development activities, working with the engineering teams? How much time are these product managers today spending towards the internal teams? And how much time are they spending towards the strategic activities or towards the outside activities of the organization? As per the survey conducted by McKinsey in 2018, 60% of the time is spent by product managers on the technical aspects, and only 30% of the time is being spent on business strategy. Similar results were published by Pragmatic Institute in 2019, where they said that 27% of the time is only spent on the strategic activities by product managers today. However, in software product management, a successful product manager is a business strategist first and then a technologist next. A successful product manager is a psychologist first and then an engineer next. So, if you are coming from an engineering background and transitioned recently to the product manager role, I am very confident that you will have very strong technical skills and you will be able to work with the engineering teams very easily. However, the technical skills won't help you to move up in the ladder. Hence, it is important to uplift your strategic thinking and design thinking aspects of product management. And it is observed that if more time is being spent on tactical activities, then engineering driven products are being built, and that leads to low customer satisfaction. And if more time is spent by product managers towards the strategic activities like understanding the customers, defining the personas, understanding the consumer behavior, analyzing the competitors, then customer centric products are being built, and that leads to high customer satisfaction and customer delight. Now let us understand the vast universe of software product management. At Rebel Learning House, we have divided the product management universe into 3 sections. The first section is analysis. In this section, the product manager is focused towards the strategic activities, and his focus is towards the outside activities where he interacts with the customers, conducts the user research, understands the market, and also studies the competitors, analyzes the competitors, and comes up with a relevant differentiator feature. In the analysis phase, the product manager also looks at different environmental factors that impacts the business. And then out of all of these analysis, the product manager is able to identify the right customer problems and right customer needs to be solved. So that is where the opportunity is spotted by the product managers. Once that is achieved, the product development phase begins. In this phase, we have divided it into 2 wings. One is a strategic wing of product development. Another is the technical or the design wing of the product development. In the strategic wing, the focus of the product management is on product discovery, defining the problem statement, product vision, achieving the product market fit. On the product analytics side, forecasting, coming up with different product portfolios, and thinking creatively to solve customer problems. On the technical aspects of the product management, if you are an engineer, then these are your strength areas. It is about backlog refinements, playing the scrum games, working with the engineering team, being available when they are having some queries or questions, to be able to prioritize the right defects, which will bring on the high customer satisfaction, and also working with the project managers in project management activities, also taking care of reviewing the designs and prototypes, working with the UX designers. Once the product development is complete, the next and the final section of the complete product management universe is product marketing. Here, the role of a product manager is to clearly communicate the customer value to the targeted customer segment. So product manager defines the right stories that can be delivered to the targeted customer segment through the help of a product marketing team. He should understand the three important ways of persuading or communicating, that is logos, ethos, and pathos. If one key takeaway that should be taken away from this complete universe of product management is that the technical aspects of product management are only 15 to 20% of the vast universe. However, the rest of it, 80 to 85%, is strategic, analytical, and marketing aspects of product management. And our training program is focused on uplifting the strategic thinking, design thinking, and marketing aspects of product management. Let us summarize the learnings that we have taken. First, software product management is a triad. There are three pillars: business strategy, design, and engineering. The second is about software product management universe is very vast, and technical aspects are only 20% of it. The rest 80% is strategic thinking, design thinking, and product marketing aspects. Two important takeaways that you should take from this video is: a successful product manager is a business strategist first and a technologist next. A successful product manager is a psychologist first and then an engineer next. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in next.